Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey of tranquility as we delve into mindfulness meditation for beginners, a practice that can transform your life. So, what exactly is mindfulness meditation? It's a practice that brings your attention to the present moment, fostering a sense of awareness and calm. Let's dive into the basics. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably with your back straight, and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to connect with your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the breath enter your body, and exhale, releasing any tension. Now let's focus on the breath. Pay attention to the sensation as you inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the breath. It's perfectly normal for thoughts to come and go. As you continue breathing mindfully, let go of any judgments or expectations. This is your time to be present without any pressure. The benefits of mindfulness meditation are vast. It can reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and enhance overall well-being. It's a simple yet profound practice that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. Congratulations, you've just taken your first steps into mindfulness meditation. Remember, it's okay if your mind wanders. That's a part of the journey. Be patient with yourself.